Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this basic 6 challenge on the hackthisite.org mission. So let's get started. So in the previous videos, we have completed the basic 5 challenges. Now we will do this basic 6. So let's go to enter. Here we have level 6. Network security Sam has encrypted his password. The encryption system is publicly available and can be accessed with this form. So here we have encrypt decrypt logic. So here we have an encrypted password, or we have to enter a string. So let's type A B C D. So let's see what the output. Here we have ACEG. So here's anything an algorithm. We have to clear this. So let's see. So first we have to just I will show you I will explain you each steps. So here we have A B C D, and it will convert. So here we have our character 0 1 2 3, and then it encrypts ACEG. So now let's go to search ASCII table, ASCII table. So now go to this website, CMU. So here we have our table. So let's see, we have entered this first A. So here we have A, it remains A. So here we have 0 on, and then on B it converts to C. So it forwards one character, so B to C. Now in C we have it will give E. So after C it forwards 2. So if you will type B, then it will give C. So if you type C, it will give E. So it's increasing by 1 1 plus 1. So then 2, then D, it will give after forwards 3 times. So 1 2 3, so G. So here you can get the algorithm. So first we will so here we have our encrypted password. So we have to decrypt this. So let's copy this and then go to this and then paste over here. It's so here we have encrypted, so we have to do this over here, and then we have to change this. Now let's type 4 5 6 7. So I have 7 characters. So we have to just decrypt over here. So now let's go. So 4, here we have 4. So 4 4, so here we have 4. So it will remain as 4 in the first character. So I will type 4 over here. Now after G, so G will backward 1. So let's go to table and find G. So it will backward to F. So I will type F. Now 7. So 7 will backward 2 times. So here let's see table 7. 7 will give 5. So, okay, and then let's here we have let's 5, and then here we have H and equal to. So H will backward 3 times. So H will find H. So H will 1 2 3. So it will give E, and equal to will 4 times. 1 2 3 4 9. So E and 9. So E and 9. So we'll done it over here. So after 8, 8 will backward 5 times. So just to table 8 to 5 it will 3. So 3, and then H will backward 6 times. So H 6 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So B, so we'll type B, and then greater than sign backward 7 times. So here we have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it will give 7. So we have done over here. Let's see it is correct or not. Okay, now I will enter over here and encrypt. So it's done. So it's right. So let's paste over here. Oh, we have error. So let's see. So I found an error. So after this, you can see that here we have our this last third character. It's not it should be 8, so we have done an error. So let's uh, so here we have 8. So 8 will back 5 times. So 5 times. So let's see where we got error. 8 will 5 times, so it will give 3. So it will so here we have 3. Now I think it should be right. Just copy, paste over here, and then let's see over here. So I think it should be right. So now go back and then paste. Let's see. Here we have congratulations, you have successfully completed basic 6 challenge. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up, or do tell me in a comment box if you are stuck anywhere. I will solve your problem, and stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ahmad signing off.